These interactive Google Slide activities are great for distance learning and paperless classrooms. There are 8 options for differentiation that you can mix and match for the needs of your students. Before looking at the options, let's take a look at the features of this diagram. There are 2 sections to this activity. The first shows an illustration of the cell membrane, and the second shows an illustration that describes the functions of cell membrane proteins. I drew the diagrams myself in Adobe Illustrator to provide clear visuals for students. The first 3 options are all drag and drop activities. The first option, seen in the middle, involves dragging and dropping the labels onto the yellow boxes of the diagram. The second option to the left involves dragging and dropping the descriptions onto the blue boxes of the diagram. And the third option, seen to the right, involves dragging and dropping both the labels as well as the descriptions onto the appropriate boxes of the diagram. The next 3 options all involve filling in the text boxes instead of dragging and dropping. The first option in the middle allows students to type in the labels of the structures into the yellow boxes of the diagram. The second option to the left allows students to type in descriptions of the structures into the blue boxes of the diagram. And the third option to the right involves typing in both the labels as well as the descriptions into the appropriate boxes of the diagram. The last 2 options are a mixture of the drag and drop and fill in the text boxes activities. The first option to the left involves dragging and dropping the labels into the yellow boxes, and underneath this, typing in a description of the structure. The second option to the right is the reverse, where students drag and drop the description of the structure into the blue boxes, and above this, type in the label into the yellow boxes. This resource comes with an answer key and a teacher implementation guide. Multiple activities can be used for one class. You can also use one or more activities for initial learning and then use others for review, reinforcement, or test prep. This product can be found in discounted bundles. Click the links to these bundles in the product description if you want to find out more.